Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be exciting, yes. Wherever you look at, it's just snow and snow, and it's gonna snow the whole day. Since it's not a normal snowfall, it's a snowstorm, so I'm sure it's going to be more than 15 centimeters of snow throughout the country. It was predicted that it's gonna be too much this time. Actually, I'm unable to ride my cycle because it's too slippery now. So that's why I'm walking. Out to enjoy, and right now it's 12 in the afternoon. Yeah, buses are still running. That's really commendable. We are still working in this extreme weather. Everywhere there is snow. People are still running. They didn't skip their regular exercise. So yeah, but everybody is out. I'm just trying to show you how the city looks when it snows so heavy. It's a different look, I must say, because I'm living here for like more than 3 years and I have never seen so much of snow. The prediction is it's gonna snow whole day and maybe also tomorrow. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed. If you do, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please subscribe my channel if you want to follow my work. And when you subscribe, please press the bell icon for the notification so that you get to know whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any thoughts, if you want to share any thoughts, if you want to say something, if you want to ask something, just comment below the video.